Hi friends, in this video I'll specifically deal with one item which keeps coming in the bank reconciliation statement problems, that is checks deposited and dishonored. So we'll learn how to deal with dishonor of checks and bills in this video. Checks deposited, dishonored, not recorded in the cash book. Many times the problem will say check has been deposited in the bank, dishonored, but it was not recorded in the cash book. What has not been recorded? The dishonor has not been recorded. So if you have followed our videos, we are always preparing cash book and the passbook. So what this problem is saying is, let us say we have a favorable balance of 50,000 and 50,000 here. Now check deposited. As soon as we deposit a check, there is an entry in our books, bank account debtor to debtor, let us say 5,000 rupees. So we debit the bank account to debtor 5,000. Check deposited, dishonored, not recorded in the cash book. Now, by the date of the bank reconciliation statement, let us say it is 31st March 20. This check was deposited before this date, but the check has been dishonored. Now, if the check is dishonored, the bank will not give you any credit in the passbook. And if you come to know about the dishonor before 31st March 20, the accountant of the business, what he has to do is he has to reverse this entry and cancel it. Then both the books will tally. If we don't come to know about the dishonor up to 31st March 20, this debit remains in the cash book and there is no corresponding credit. So how to deal with it? There is a debit here, there is a debit here, the balance in cash book will be more, the balance in the passbook will be less. So if I'm starting with the cash book and trying to arrive at the passbook, I would have to reduce this 5,000 rupees. If I'm going ulta, if I'm starting with passbook and trying to arrive at the cash book, then I would have to increase by this 5,000 rupees. So I hope you are able to understand. So this debit has not been reversed and cancelled. Next, passbook debited for rupees for check deposited, dishonored, not recorded in the cash book. I'll write pass B. Passbook debited for check deposited, dishonored, not recorded in cash book. Now, what do you mean passbook debited for check deposited, dishonored, not recorded in the cash book? This is the same like what we have done earlier, but we have to learn it. It's a little bit more detailed. This is my passbook. This is nothing but customer account in the books of the bank. This is cash book. Nothing but bank account in the books of the business. Debit, credit. Hypothetically, let us say there is a 50,000 balance here. There is a 50,000 balance here. We received a check of 5,000. We are preparing BRS on 31st March 20. Let us say we received a check on 27th March 20 and we deposit the check in the bank. We pass an entry, bank account debtor to debtor 5,000. So we'll write to debtor 5,000. The banker will also pass an entry, instrument received to customer 5,000. They have received a check from us, no? So they'll write instrument received for clearing, debit to customer 5,000. There will be a credit in my passbook. So as soon as you give the check, the bank will also credit your account. If you try to withdraw this amount from the ATM, you go to an ATM and try to withdraw this amount will not come because it's only a pro forma credit. Only when the amount comes on this check from the issuer's bank account, only when the money actually comes to the bank, this amount will be available for withdrawal. Till that time, this is only a pro forma credit. Okay. Now, let us say on 31st March 20, the bank came to know about dishonor. Now what the bank will do? The bank will immediately reverse this entry and write customer account debtor to instrument received dishonored. So they will immediately reverse this entry and they will pass a debit in the passbook. So this is what they are saying. Passbook debited for check deposited, dishonored. So this is the debit they are talking about. That means earlier they had given a pro forma credit. Now they are reversing it by giving a debit. Okay. If we also came to know before 31st March 20, whatever entry we have passed, we'll reverse it and cancel it. But if you don't know, if you don't come to know that the check has been dishonored, then this entry will not be reversed. It will remain. So now what will happen because of this? If the bank has done this, so the debit and the credit will get cancelled. There will be a deposit recorded in the cash book, but it is not there in the amount has not been withdrawn and cancelled because we did not come to know about it. So this balance will increase, this balance will be lower. If we are starting with the passbook and trying to arrive at the cash book, then we have to increase it by 5,000 rupees. So this is how we have to deal with dishonor of checks deposited.